Hi, so what's in the alarm panel box? There is a big main board with a display, some buttons around it, and there is usually little white boxes called modules, and there's the batteries. They provide back power to the panel in case of the power outage. So how to do simple troubleshooting? If display shows some error and alarm is beeping, the first step, you have to press the reset button to reset the alarm. Wait for a while until everything normalizes. If the error pops up again, you have to press alarm silence button or acknowledge button to make it silent, and then you should call alarm guys to come out and troubleshoot, eventually replace the defective parts. If it shows low battery error, here's how to replace the batteries. So first, you have to find how the battery is connected to the main board and remove that connector over there. Then you can replace batteries one by one. When you finish, put them back in the box and plug that connector again. Then you should go through alarm reset to reset the error on the display. Thanks for watching.